Hello everyone. So today I'm going to share something really important with you. You might have guessed it from the title. I'm going to partner up with my best friend to build an agency together. And I'm really excited to share this because I think this might be one of the most decisive moments of my life because I believe that after all, everything is going to be good. Like, this is the last time when I'm in the struggling phase of my life. I believe that, inshallah. And in this video, I would like to share with you, like, how did it happen, like why we are deciding to collaborate together, and what is our plans coming up. And since we have decided that we are going to partner up, we have done a couple or three meetings, and in those meetings we have discussed a lot of things, and we have like brainstormed a lot to make sure that we are on the same page. And I would like to share those meetings with you first, few snippets of those meetings because I recorded them also. And yeah, after that I will share the whole backstory of this collaboration with you. Hello, say hi to my viewers. Yeah, yeah. So as you can see right here, we are in a meeting right now, and this meeting is going to be a decider. Like, we are going to discuss some really important things in this meeting, and we are gonna like prepare whole action plan for the next year. And we believe that this meeting will get us really far for the next year, and we will absolutely crush it together. What do you think about it? Y- Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Same here, inshallah. And yeah, we are gonna discuss a lot of things in this meeting, and I'll share you uh, between the meeting or after the meeting about what we discussed and what we concluded from the meeting. And yeah, I'll see you. So guys, it's 1 a.m. right now, and we have been like doing this meeting for almost 2-3 hours, and we have done a lot of research and we have concluded a lot of action items. So it's been a banger meeting for me, and now Rehan will tell you how was the meeting. How was the meeting, bro?
The meeting was crazy. It went really well. We have cleared a lot of the action items that we have to take action upon in the next week, from the next week, and inshallah we will you know break this up this time.
How do you see the importance of this meeting in our future?
Yeah, this meeting will surely prove, inshallah, the game changer of all time. This was the
Yeah.
banger meeting I have ever done. The most actionable, the most um, you know, clear, with
Yeah.
clear goals.
Yeah, same for me. I think when in 5 years from now, when we will look back, we will see this point as the life turning point of our like life. And
Yes,
yeah, I'll see
yeah,
you in
that's
some days, and I'll tell you
absolutely
the
right.
updates. So, guys, it's been 3 days since we last met and did our grand meeting, in which we discussed a lot of things related to our client acquisition strategy in future. But today we are doing another meeting, and this meeting is for something else rather than our business. So it is about the service delivery part, because recently we have been facing a lot of problems related to delivering service for our clients. So in this meeting, we are going to discuss our step-by-step plan on how we are going to deliver service and get results for our client when he signs up with us. So now Rehan is going to tell you how important is this meeting and what are we hoping to achieve in this.
Yes, so this meeting is really important, as this is the most tough part of the process, the service delivery, how we're gonna deliver our service to the client. So yes, the Harun is gonna lead this meeting today, and let's see how it goes.
Yeah, guys. So it is the most crucial part of any business. Like, if you don't deliver a good service, you internally cannot feel motivated enough to get more clients. So this is a huge priority for us right now, because if we figure this part out, we will be motivated much more to get more clients, because we know that we can deliver results to the clients that we are gonna sign up. So yeah, it's going to be a banger meeting. So guys, it's 12 a.m. in the morning right now. It's currently 12:20, as you can see here on the screen. It's 12:20 right now, and it has been 4 hours since we have started this meeting. It has been the longest meeting that I have done in my entire life, and there has been a lot of things that we have discussed. I think we have complicated the service delivery part a little bit, but we have got much clarity after discussing all of the things that was in our minds, and now we have a proper plan, I think, that is going to be implemented when a client signs with us. And I think it was the like most detailed meeting ever that I have done in my life. How was the meeting, Rehan?
Yes, it was a really, really long meeting, but things got very clear after this, and Haroon literally, took this meeting very well. So we are now very clear about, what are our action steps from now. Yeah.
Yeah, and absolutely, I'll keep sharing my updates with you guys. I still think that everyone else that is our competitor wouldn't have done this much research when they were starting their agency, because we are taking things too much seriously. But I think it will be in our benefit, because we will be rewarded with the efforts that we are doing right now. So yeah, I'll keep sharing my updates with you, and I'll see you later. So, long story short, we have done two meetings, and the first meeting we discussed our client acquisition strategy, where we discussed and brainstormed a lot of things around how we are going to get clients, and we have set some KPIs going into the next year. Like, we have set some targets. This is how much we are going to do. This is what we are going to do, and this type of results we can expect after that. And we have set some like really clear targets and extracted a very like actionable plan. Like, this is what we are going to do in terms of content outreach and one other thing. So hopefully we might be able to stick to that, inshallah. And yeah, it has been really helpful for us. And the second meeting was about our client service delivery process. Like, when we are going to sign up with a client, what are we going to do for them? Like, we have streamlined the whole process, because that was the most tricky part about this service that we are doing. Like, it is really hard to deliver the service, because it is really hard to think about content ideas and strategy in on behalf of the client, because this is what we are doing right now. And yeah, it has also been a really helpful meeting for us, and it has helped us gain a lot of clarity. And yeah, this is what we have discussed. So now, coming back to the point, why did we decide to partner up? So first of all, I would like to say that it was a very natural move, because we used to work together in the past also. 1 year ago, when we used to work on Upwork, we used to do things together. But after that, for a very long time, I didn't had any business, because I lost my direction, and like, I was going through a very hard time. And in that time period, I didn't want to carry anyone through with me, because I was like figuring out what I want to do in future. And I had said to him like, for some time we should explore our own ways, and we should explore like what do we want to do in actual. So he was doing his own thing, I was doing my own thing. But after exploring a lot of things, I came to a conclusion that I want to do content for people, because there is so many things that you can do. But this was the thing that stood out most to me, and it was always in my plan. Like, as soon as something clicks for me, I will invite my best friend to become my partner again, because I really love the partnership model. Like, if you have someone that aligns with your values and goals, you should absolutely partner up, because it helps you establish a lot of accountability, and it helps you build a lot of healthy competition. And you don't want to get rich alone. Like, it isn't really like good. So it was always in my mind like I will invite him to a partnership. So but for a very long time I had been struggling, because I wasn't doing enough inputs. I let myself down, and I let my friend down also, because I thought that I would like get down to the things really quickly and invite him again, but it took me a very long time. But at last, like 8 to 9 months after that, something clicked for me, and then I proposed him like we should partner up again. And this happened on 10th of December. We met there at a cafe, and I presented him the plan like this is what we are going to do, and this service has this much potential, and I think we should partner up because we can build a really good thing. And he decided to agree on that, and yeah, we are doing things together now. I think I'm not able to explain things really in a very streamlined way. I will make a separate video on the whole story behind that, but yeah, I hope it helps, and yeah, I will see you again.